Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my new phone, that Realme 10 Pro. It's my phone which I had purchased from a lots of day. I am waiting for this. The name of the phone is that Realme 10 Pro. It's a 5G phone. As you all know that it's now a generation coming for the 5G terms. So I had decided to purchase the 5G phone. Its name is Realme 10 Pro, and the features which are given here, that is here are what's the processor is Snapdragon 695 5G cheapest, and the front camera of this phone is 180 MP front camera, and battery, that's 5000 mAh battery, and it's given a charging with a 33-watt charger, and its display is a 120 Hz bondless display. Now I am going to cut the slip. See if you can say that there. So now I will take out the phone. I'm so excited that how this is my new phone. Oh wow. What's this? I think this one is the cover. Oh, look at this is the big cover which is given with the additional. This is the phone. This is the phone. Now I take out the phone, my new phone. Oh wow, look at the background, that's so beautiful. And it's now I'm going to switch on the phone. Look at here, it's being on. Wait for a few seconds. It being on. That's a Realme brand. There's you can say that it's a new updated version. Before 15 or 20 days it's come in the market. Its releasing date is, I think, it's given on the, where is that? Look at here, releasing date is 28 to 223. It means 28 February. It means 1 month or 15 days before it is come in the market. It's just opened. Look at it. Wow, this is the phone. First let me check you the what are the features given here. So out of the phone, it's the about the device. Wow, here the storage is, I think this is 128, storage 128, and the RAM is 8 GB RAM. We can extend it up to 8 GB. It means you can extend it to 16 GB RAM up to RAM expansions. And the rear view camera is, that's 18 MP camera, big camera, and the front camera is 16 MP. Can I check it, the camera taking a big photo? You get here something to take photo. Sorry, look at that's a good big. Now what's the things are given additional here? There is given a this is the SIM tray which is given here, and there is a 33-watt charger, 33-watt fast charging. You can charge it in at least 1 hour. Take time to full charge your wait phone. And it's a cable, that C-type cable is given here. This is C-type cable. Yeah. Oh, this is so. I will cover it. I take with the front cover. Yeah. Now it's better. The overall price of this phone is 20,000, and with including EMI, it's take a 23,000 approx. And in 23,000 there is 1 year of insurance of it's my phone insurance, which give me a lots of benefits. If my phone will be get damaged within a year, then the charges will paid by the company to repair my phone. This is the benefit which I had got. That's why I had bought this in EMI. Thank you.